So, update, we got upper control arm mounts. Basically just did capture nuts. It's still hot. And spacers, because there will be spacers for all the adjustment. And since re-angled these rails to where they sit down, they did sit up here. You can see they sit at a lower angle, so I'll have to do some cross bracing from top to up here to keep things from breaking in half. But it does give me a good angle for anti-dive and all that, and my caster isn't bad at all, which I did clearance the ball joints. So now we can work on steering, which this steering rack is we use them in sand rails and Baja clubs. It is it's fairly quick. It's 1.5 lock to lock. So if you're driving, faster than 40 and you sneeze, you're off the road. So probably get a steering quickener and put it on backwards to slow that down a bit, but we'll see how it works out. Rock Auto had some stock tie rod ends for like $3 a piece, so I went and got a few of those too. So won't have to use heim joints on these stock vet knuckles. Anyway, trying to get more footage for a video this week. A lot of it I wasn't going to use because I ended up redoing all the work. So yeah, but maybe we'll do something fun one day this weekend and put it in the video. This is the steering end. It's tacked in mostly. It's a very quick steer, as I said in previous clips. Ackerman angle is going to be what it is for now until I get it rolling and decide if I want to cut and tweak these vet hubs a little bit. Really, unless I can change where that pivot point is on the knuckle, it's not going to be able to do anything. So I'm having a little issue with my regulator on my MIG, so I'm getting porosity in some of these welds, so I got to grind these back out and re-weld them. Even though they're just tags, it's still going to bug me. But so yeah, I've got very quick steering, and I'll go to a shaft to the support I put here, bearing carrier, and the one up there, and I need to figure out what other universals are handy enough to use, because even this one's got a little bit of play in it, but I think that's just the play in the rack. This spline is moving too. Yeah. So yeah, we got steering. I've got room for a radiator up front, and yeah, I need to pull the fiberglass nose over and see how I'm going to mount that, but I'm really not worried about body panels right now. I just want to get it rolling, and once it's rolling, it's a whole lot more motivation every day to work on it and try to make videos and stuff.